Yeah. Kids.
Scenery.
Yeah, man, I wanna be a kid again. Don't we all? Yeah, check it. I wanna go back to being a kid, when all we did was pretty much just live. No hurries, chilling with my cousins, so we so freely, didn't even need to worry. Didn't need drugs and I didn't need liquor. Didn't always wanna chip on my dick. Rather watch TV, especially a freebie, running up to school to catch DBZ. School was the shit, and most days I scared, but when I like a girl, one day I never missed. I would die do anything for just the kids. Finding those feelings alone, shit was a gift. And please, school memories, hating any singles, now I love double D's. Climbing a tree could be all the fun you need. And back then me, I was king monkey. Man, we talking about kids, we just had to live, always in trouble.
What's up guys, welcome along to episode 3 of the series. I hope you enjoyed the last episode. We were at Mad Mike Summer Bash. We did a lot of racing and now we've got to do all the in-between parts. So this week we're at Nissan in Manukau. Darren's putting the car on display. I think he's just giving it a little scrub on now. Let's go and see what he's up to. Hi Derry. What are we doing?
Setting up the car for display this weekend at Manukau. It's looking all fresh with the new livery, so yeah, should be good. Good time of the year to have the car on display because often it doesn't tend to stay as pretty for so long. After, you know, Cole Armstrong seems to have a target on my door every time we drive together. So yeah, so we're going to try roughneck. Yeah, it makes it hard to keep the car looking fresh, but this year we partnered with Dr. B signage, so those dudes are going to keep the car looking really fresh this year. And yeah, should manage to keep it looking a bit nicer than what it tends to look like at the end of every other season.
Turning delirious by the end of the night, it was alright. Once again, it was all good. But the trouble kids running for the neighborhood and see, living all free. How a life of a kid really should be. Like climbing a tree, could be all the fun you need. And back then me, I was king monkey. Man, we talking about kids, we just had to live. Always in trouble, partly forget. Man, we didn't need a plan and we didn't understand.
Car looks good, mate. Had a lot of attention since we packed it up in here.
Yeah.
It's only been 5 minutes.
It's looking pretty fresh. It's got the retro throwback livery on it. So she's, yeah, not all beaten up yet.
Not yet. Wait until Cole gets a sniff. Right there. That's Cole's spot.
Oh yeah. Yeah, definitely lights them up, but yeah, the forward drive.
I'm very surprised, man. What do you think of it, mate?
Sick.
Say hi to the peeps.
What's up, boys?
We know this guy. Check him out, KCL. Oh yeah. I see you.
Darren's got something he wants to say.
Go.
Technically, if you had the car in the back, would it count as 2 cars going through that light?
Yeah, I have to stop halfway. 1 car per green light. The same with merging.
Yeah.
Am I breaking the zip by having 2 cars go? Anyway, we're on our way to Casper Transmissions now. We just dropped the car off at Nissan for the weekend. It's going to be on display down in their showroom at Manukau Nissan. It's missing a gearbox though, so we're going down to Mike's, catch up with him and see how things are going. He's stripped the gearbox down, taken a look at everything, get everything crack tested, checked over before we head to round 1 in January. We don't have a lot of time, so we had to get the gearbox to him early. So I came out straight after Summer Bash on the Sunday, took it to him on Monday, and he stripped it down that day. We had a good look over it, sent some parts away. We try to keep it as reliable as possible. They're under a ton of strain, so we try to keep on top of the maintenance.
Not exactly the nicest person to it.
No, it gets a hard life, and it's done. This is its 3rd season, so it's really
doing well.
It's done extremely well, and we've only ever actually replaced parts due to other things failing, which is like our engine, the RB30 that originally we ran in the car, that blew and that shattered everything. It shattered the RB30 block into 2 pieces, straight down the middle. So,
Fade to sad shots of broken RB.
and shattered the crank right on that point. Gearbox seems okay condition. Bar the bell housing, seen better days. Possible slight bend in the input shaft, which you're not meant to be able to see me through here, so it's pretty bad. So that done a lot of damage. That broke the input shaft, it transferred a lot of damage through the gearbox, it smashed the bell housing to pieces, damaged the flywheel, the clutch, everything. So that was the only time that I've actually replaced anything in the TTI box, which is freaking amazing, really. Like running 2 full abusive seasons on a gearbox and having very minimal issues with it. So
It's in for another hard season, so
yep,
look after it, it'll look after you.
Long hard season ahead, so try to keep on top of the maintenance and minimise things to go wrong. And yep, Mikey Caspers keeps on top of all that for us, so he's a legend.
He is a legend. Check out his Instagram, KT Drift.
Yeah, he's actually just getting into drifting himself, so it's pretty cool to see him progress over the last few months. He's been going to Mad Mike's Drift Force days, and yeah, it's freaking awesome to see him progress in the last few months.
I think we should do all those days.
I would love to.
Who wants to see us do more of those days? Drift Force, Darren Kelly and Drift Force.
Yeah, well that's what we got the 34 going for now, so.
If we can get 100 likes on this video, we'll go to the next Drift Force.
100. We want 100 million.
I got 100 million.
And we'll go to every single Drift Force day. We'll definitely be out more this season with the R34. That's the whole point of rebuilding that and getting that back out there, so we can again take the stress and the load off the 35 and just try to maximise seat time and having fun and getting out there and doing more events and splitting the load over 2 cars. So yeah, we'll definitely be out there more. Hey, there's Mike right now. Shouldn't you be doing my gearbox?
Conrad, what's going on in the off-season build, mate?
Oh, it's a bit of a tidy up for Cole's car for the season. It's had a bit of a hard life while it was in China, so I got to tidy up the engine bay wiring. It's been a few fellas that tooted with it. Put some new coils and stuff in. Got new ECU. Lincoln supplied us. Don't even know what it is.
Don't even know what it is? We're just going to chuck it in, hey? See how she rolls? Good old Link. What else has Link supplied for us?
All new sensors, some new blooms and shit. New dash, MXS AIM dash for it, which is pretty cool. Some fun setting all that for it.
Nice. So what kind of hours go into this with you spending down here? Obviously, you've got your own business, D-Mark Electrical, running that. and then you obviously can do a little bit while you're at work. But you know, what kind of hours go into it out of time?
Oh, there's a fair bit that go into it. Sort of strip it right back from when I originally bought it 4 years ago, maybe, I can't remember. Just because you don't know what had happened to it in China when it got tooted with, and when you had all those issues over there. So I stripped it right back, pulled all the looms open, made sure there's no broken wires, and heat shrunk everything, redone it all quick. Pretty much redone it all. Reused what was alright, but the majority of it was replaced, so we have no issues. Reliability is the key.
Reliability is the key. It's the key to a championship, that is. She's a big list. Oh, that's cool, man. Oh well, we'll keep trucking here. Keep it going. Lucky we're powered by V.
So here we are driving over to Hamilton to go pick up the 250 GT Skyline. Some of the boys at Triple T Engineering have now just mounted up our new 5-speed sequential TDI. Got the new custom drive shaft and hoop, and also got our winters in there as well after Avon made that custom subframe to take that new winters quick change that we're slipping into the car. So we've got like 20 something days to go till round one. We've got a lot of work. Mike at Kira Composites doing some huge hours trying to get our new kick-ass body kit sorted out and done. So yeah, we can have that fresh new look, and everyone will get to see it round one. But yeah, let's head over to see Tim. We'll have a catch up there and see what those boys have got on and got done for us. Got my trusty companion. Good girl. So here we are, Triple T Engineering. Tim's just got the car up on the hoist now, just checking things over. Just going to give me a bit of a rundown of what's been done. So there it is. We've got brand new headers, all built in-house, new MSC turbo. Boys have done a tip-top job. Got the new TDI installed, just a slight alteration of the brackets. We have the 4-inch running through, new rear end, and then into the new winters. Just over that far side over there, we've had the new drive shaft made, which will go in at this spot through here. There's new mounts all set up, all nice and tidy. We've obviously got a whole heap of work still to be done, but pretty stoked. These guys have worked some good magic on this in a short amount of time. Look, we've got some good new shocks there that just come in, the latest. Yeah, lots to be done on this. They've done a good bit of work here, Tim, on the car. New manifold. Look at the twin pipes coming out the bonnet here. Look at the fabrication that's going on with these guys. The new 3-inch dump pipe, twin 50 turbo smart gates. All looking schmacko. Conrad's new wiring. Can't even spot a thing. And the last thing they've done is a nice new tunnel finally in this, so we can mount our new shifter and yeah, get the car all set. But lots to be done. You can see the new rear end is looking tight. New dumpy, just got to adjust all the arms and legs. New axles to go in here. Ethan's done this in the off season. But yes, lots of work to come. Very tidy work by the boys here at Triple T. We're pretty stoked with how this is all panned out. Not much time left. but we'll get there. Looking tidy though.
Alright, so that is all the content we have from this episode. We apologise, we haven't put any content out over the last few weeks because, as you know, it's been the New Year's and Christmas period, so we're all on holiday. But keep in mind, next episode we are at Bay Park for round 1 of the D1NZ National Drifting Championship at Bay Park Stadium. Plenty to do there, heaps of tyres to shred, heaps of battles to do, so keep an eye out for the next episode where you'll catch all of that.
Smash the like button.